guys, today we are going to be, so this is Ellie.
Ellie.
And this is Ellie.
And that's a giant Ellie.
It doesn't even look like her.
It kind of does. So Carly got this note from her elf and it says...
How many gifts can you get in the sled? That's a sleigh, not a sled.
Same
Each gift
thing.
is, no. A sled is something you go down a hill with. And this flies in the air and Santa drives it. Each gift is one hit on the piñata. Ooh.
Okay, so it looks like this is a little present flip game. It's maybe similar to bottle flip. Not really.
No.
So do you want to take a practice shot?
No.
So you only
No.
get one shot at each present, so
I
you
know.
don't need to practice?
No.
Okay. Boom. Bring it over here.
Okay, I have quite a lot though.
Oh.
What? I hate this game already.
Yay!
One.
You can hit it once.
Twice.
Are you in the rhythm?
No.
Nope.
3 times. No.
Huh.
No. No.
No. Uh-oh.
4. Does
No.
that even count? I didn't even hit it.
All right, maybe you
My
can
finger
redo that one.
slid.
Hey, Ellie, give a blink if she's allowed to have a redo on that one. Ellie says yes. We still missed it.
Yeah.
Yay.
What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Oh, that's pretty decent.
7,
Uh-oh.
8.
Oh, I think you'll get it.
What? 9.
You're in a rhythm now.
10. 11 times.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
So you got 11 correct, and you missed 7.
7. Okay,
not
that's
too
pretty good.
bad.
That's pretty good.
All right, we'll be right back. I have to set up this piñata. I have to
Where?
figure out a way to hold it so you don't kill me.
Wait, a broomstick?
Okay, be right back. All right, I didn't know we were doing a piñata, so we had to improvise. Carly is using
I'm scared.
a clean mask. Can you see?
I'm closing my eyes.
A clean mask to hit the piñata.
What are you doing?
Come here, I got your pole. This is what you're gonna hit it with.
I can't see. I can only see light.
Can only see light.
Where are you?
Take 3 steps towards my voice. Put your hand out.
2, 3. Ah!
Alright, now I'm going to use this boom pole so I don't get...
Where am I going?
I don't know where you're going.
Ah!
Stand right here. Come here.
Where?
Right
Ah!
Right here. You're fine. Now spin 3 times.
1, 2, 3. Ah! Ow, what did I just hit?
Hold on, the piñata's coming.
Hold on, I need to close my eyes and put the nose thing up to it. Oh no, now I can't even see even more.
There's 1.
Ah!
2.
No, that does not count. I didn't hit it.
A swing. Okay, I'll tell you when I'm ready for the swing. So you got 1 swing.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to hit it harder than that.
Wait, where is it? Oh, there he is. 2. Did I hit the camera?
No. Wait, hold on. Alright, go. Missed.
3. Are you ready?
Ready. Oh, Ellie! You cracked her right in the face!
Really?
Okay, are you ready?
Where is it?
It's right in front of your face.
Is this the wall?
I mean,
Where did I hit?
you hit the piñata, but you're gonna have to hit it harder than that.
Wait, which part of her did I hit?
Her belly.
Her belly.
Oh.
What?
I don't know how many we're on.
Whatever.
you might be over.
It's okay. It's okay.
You hit the couch. Oh, Ellie.
Where's the...
You're so violent.
Did I jump the wall?
Yes.
Oh no.
It's okay.
I'm not
That was my bad. You know what I did?
What?
I went like, whoops, so you would miss. So I'll take responsibility for that.
I'm really sorry.
It's fine.
Okay.
Just go a little easier.
Ow!
Here, why don't you take your blindfold off and just
That makes more sense.
beat the poop out of her?
Beat the poop out of her. Okay. Wait, where did I even hit her in the face? Oh, Mom. Gotta put it back down.
Get it. Ah.
I'm waiting for the face.
This is like the unbreakable Piñata.
What did I do?
You dented her.
Oh my God. Her eyes are peeling.
Not towards me.
Oh, right in the stomach.
I'm gonna break it open.
Ah!
Wait.
Right in the noggin.
Scaring me. Scaring me.
Right in the noggin. Oh, I stuck it right through her head. I stuck it. Okay.
Aim for the feet.
No.
That's where it'll start breaking out of. This is Ellie's joke. You're gonna get what's inside.
Keep. Okay. The tripod is extended.
I know, it's getting longer. That's why I'm afraid you're gonna hit me.
Yee. I still have. Oh, her head! I need to smack the head now. Oh, her head is breaking off.
Our poor wall.
It's your fault, though.
I take responsibility. Carly felt bad, but I moved it out of the way.
So we have to do some surgery. It will never be the same.
Some of the stuff, there's already something that fell out. What is this? Ho, ho, ho.
A bracelet. And this is mine. This was mine. Bradley and Vivian got this for me.
Oh. So she just pulled stuff that you already had?
I guess.
What else is in there? Baby Yoda! Ellie.
Gotta do some more surgery. Oh, I just smacked something in the head. Oh, Piñata!
Really? Evel's in there?
Piñata! Your keys!
My car keys! I've been looking for these.
For probably around 2 days.
Not that I go anywhere. Ooh, Spam.
Ew.
You gonna try it?
No.
I dare you to take a bite.
Nope. Sorry.
Teeth?
Teeth.
Vampire teeth?
Vampire cat.
Another
Ho,
bracelet.
ho, ho.
Oh, hand sanitizer. We can always use some of that.
Yep.
What is that?
It's a dog treat.
Oh, for Loki. She's so nice.
Yeah.
Or you take a bite. No?
Oh, thank you. Hey, this is my toy.
So she filled it with things from our house?
Because we already had that.
Except, no, we had Baby Yoda.
But we already had the avocado. We had Baby Yoda.
We didn't have Spam.
No, we don't eat Spam.
We don't make Spam.
Hershey's Kiss.
Hershey Kiss.
She loves me.
What else is in here? Dump it all out. Hey, that's my Baby Yoda pin. I'll take that. Ooh, careful, that's sharp. All right, Carly, 1 bite of Spam.
Nope.
I double dare you.
Nope.
I'll buy you $10 in Robux.
Nope.
$20.
Nope.
All right, that's it then. Don't ask for Robux.
I just whacked myself in the face. I don't need Robux.
Okay, perfect. All right, no Spam for you.
Good.
You'll never know the deliciousness of spiced ham.
That's disgusting.
That's what it stands for, spiced ham.
Hey guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to thumbs up, subscribe. It's Ray.